Hey guys, welcome to this video and welcome to my nail studio. I wanted to make this video because just like as a little reminder slash announcement for those of you who don't know that I have a new nail channel now that I'm uploading to. So I wanted to give y'all one little last nail video on this channel so you guys can see why you would want to subscribe to my nail channel. So today we're going to be doing this glitter nail set that I have been wearing for maybe a week now, and I just bought a whole bunch of glitters, and I was basically just plain in glitter, and so I just chose this gold color. I love gold. I think I said that in my last nail video on my nails channel. Madam Glam was kind enough to send me some products. They sent me a top and a base coat gel and some colors, so I used one of those in today's video. If you didn't know and you like nails like I do, or you just like watching nail videos, then I will have the link up here and down below so you can subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Look at all these glitters. These are some of the glitters that I'm going to be using for the set, but I was just showing y'all all my new glitters. So I'm going to be using some products from Madam Glam. They sent me this little package. It came with 3 translucent jelly type gel polishes and a top and base coat. And it also came with a mini lamp, LED UV lamp. I just didn't show it in the video. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Stiletto full cover nail tips by Mick, and I'm just showing you the package. And I've already picked out my sizes. So when you're picking out your sizes for full cover press-ons, you just want to make sure that they fit perfectly. I think the key to a good press-on set, making it look really natural and real, not necessarily natural, but acrylic, is to make sure that they fit properly. So I'm also going to be prepping these tips by buffing them and removing the shine, and this just helps with adhering the gel polish and things like that. And I'm also going to be filing them. I wanted this to be a little bit more pointier. You don't have to modify the tips. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but the choice is yours. So I just went ahead and prepped all of them and applied it to the nail stand, and now I'm going to be adding a base layer of polish. I didn't know if I wanted to use the color or the glitter. The glitter just didn't give enough coverage. I was going to be covering it in glitter anyway, so I went with the Madam Glam yellow polish. I don't know the name of it. It didn't have a name on it, but yeah, I'm just applying 1 layer of this polish to all the tips, and then I'm going to be curing it for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm not curing it all the way. Okay, so I'm just setting up all the glitters that I wanted to use. I was a little over ambitious. I laid out way too many, but I did dabble in a lot of them. So I'm going to be doing a technique that's called burnishing, which is applying the glitter to the inhibition layer, or a sticky, not completely dry layer of polish, and then kind of rubbing in and burnishing it into the nail so all of the pieces of glitter lay flat, and it allows the holographic to the glitter shine through a little bit more as opposed to sugaring it. So this is what it looks like after rubbing it in, and I'm just using a regular brush. I think this might be even a paintbrush, but it's you can see the hollowness. So I'm going to do it a little bit slower, but I'm just applying the glitters, all the colors. This works best with fine, super fine glitter. It works on the thicker glitter, but it doesn't, I don't know, the thick glitter you can easily place, but the fine glitter kind of needs to be laid down. So it's pretty easy and I love the results. So I'm just going to continue this onto all 10 of the tips. And I'm just going to take the fan brush and wipe away any of the excess, but the glitter is on, it's like stuck on, it's not really moving. And now you can see how flat the glitter is laying. It's basically like not thick at all. And I'm just gonna finish curing that coat. So again, here are the glitters I'm using: some butterfly stars, 4-point and 5-point stars, and some like chunkier glitters. So after I finish curing, I'm going to add a clear coat on top. So like the first go around, you'll see that I added the clear coat and then I cured it. And I cured it for, I think, maybe I cured it all the way. Okay, so I think I cured it for 15 to 20 seconds. Like I did it too much, and I was applying the glitter, the chunkier glitter, into the inhibition layer, but it wasn't really sticking enough. So I went ahead and changed my mind and applied the chunky glitter onto a fully wet layer of clear polish. So this is me applying the chunkier glitter to a cured layer of gel polish, and I think I just cured it too long without even realizing it. But as you can see, like the glitter was still moving, it wasn't really sticking. So then I went back and decided to add another layer of clear coat and not cure it this time, and just add the glitter, which is, it's gonna work that way anyway. So yeah, that was much easier, and I did that to the rest of the nails. So I just love the way that this looks, like with the chunky glitter layered onto the fine glitter. It just looks like a party, like an explosion. Like I just love it so much. And before the final cure, I'm just pressing down any glitter that was sticking up. But as you can see with the burnishing, it just makes for a pretty flat layer of glitter without like encapsulating anything. So I didn't show it, but I did finish curing that layer, and now I'm just going back and adding a top coat on top, and I'm doing about 2 to 3 layers, I believe. I did one of this Madam Glam, and then I did the last 2 with my Gel 2 no wipe top coat. Okay, so the set is all done. Don't they look cute? And now it's time to prep my nails. I hadn't worn nails in quite a bit, so I am pushing back my cuticles. And nipping away at any excess dead skin on my nail plate, buffing my nail, and roughing up my nail just a little bit. This helps the press-ons last longer, getting like a nice rough surface, not too rough, just with like a 180 nail file. And I'm just clipping away. I last minute decided to clip down my nails. And before I apply the nails, I'm going to wash my hands. Now I'm just going to apply them with nail glue. I like to apply a thin layer of nail glue to my nail and then a little bit, like a dot or two, to the actual inside of the press-on. And that just helps like it seal so there's no bubbles and there's no air, and then there won't be any popping off. Pretty. Okay, and to finish it off, I'm just taking away the point. It was a little too pointy for me. I'm real good for scratching myself, so I was just taking down the pointiness. And I'm going to finish everything off with some cuticle oil and show y'all what it looks like under the flash. It looks so good. I really like this. I can't wait to like try different colors. I have so much glitter in so many shapes. It's kind of sad that I haven't really used them as much. Alright y'all, so that is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this little set. I had so much fun doing it. I can't wait to do like every color. Y'all saw how many glitters I had. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!